gonna look at this lipstick. It's color one this. Alright, Mommy's gonna take it.
Yeah, you can open it.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here. This is Geyiie Toys Cosmetic Case. Children's fashion. Arouse your makeup talent. Be a special princess. So this is the toy that my baby is sponsoring with. She was sponsored by Simon Company, and we're going to make a video to make this, how she will apply this. So slow lang. We have how many, baby? Count that. One. Look, this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
See, we have 6 of that, and we have hair clip, which is 2 clip while she is doing her business.
This is out.
Okay, and then we have this, which is clip. See, we will show you how to use all this. We have this. Oh.
Number 2.
And this, all of these are for her hair. And this one. So we will show you all how to use this. This is the best gift, like December gift or birthday gift. This is really a nice. Get it, baby. The box. Can you get the box? It's at the back in here. You got it?
That's
Fill. Okay, so I'll put that there.
my open house.
So this is
The brush.
hairbrush. She really knew it. Ew.
And this.
And look how nice it is. There's a mirror in it. And look at the brush. There are a lot of colors in it. Look. Tell them, baby, look. Oh, how did you do this? How did you do that? Push it up. Push from here. Push it up. See? And then she will use it as a... Sit down, sit down. Sit down and show them. Smile here. Look at the girl. Smile. See? That's a hairbrush. And you see what's it? You see yourself there? What is that? It's a... It's what?
It's a mirror.
It's a mirror. And then now we have here a lot of colors, and we use already the rest in her. So I will show you what are the other colors. So we put 3 colors in here. We have, what color is this, baby?
This
one.
pink.
This one.
Orange.
No, this one.
Blue.
This one.
Orange.
Okay. And the rest color are this. So how did you, wait, we're going to show them. How are you going to put all these colors? So this is how you do it. You have to push it down. See, you can push it down like that. And since it's in this part, so you have to put it here and then push it up.
My
butterfly
too.
What, baby?
My butterfly do there.
It's a lot easier if you push it that way.
Gimme, Mommy. Gimme.
Wait lang. Push it that way. That way. So, see, push it that way and push it. So, you push it, baby. Here. No, put it here. We're going to put it in your hair. That's not for the lips. That's for the hair color.
No, it's for what?
What color do you want? Just that orange?
Yeah, or it's for the lips. Let's see my lips. I love that.
It's a rectangular form. Then this one, it should be here to lock it. Okay. You see this part in here? So you should lock it. You should lock it there. See? And then what you're going to do, you have this to pull like that. You see? And then you have to put it this one. Not that one. Put it here. In here. What, baby? Look, baby. You have to put it that way. And have to make sure that it goes to the line. This goes to the line. To the line and push. Now it's done. So you see, if I will push this part, it goes this part down. See? So now, since her hair is wet, let's see if it works. So you have to make sure. Sit down, baby. Sit down. You have to make sure that the hair is wet. Let's see.
Ow, ow, ow.
Oh, it works. You see her hair? See? You see that blue in there? Oh, sit down, Manga. You see that blue in there? Side. You see that blue in the side? That works. So it should be, if you don't have this one I have here, this is a water. So if the hair is not wet, just spray a little like this. Use that, baby. Yeah. Spray it on your hair. And then, after you spray, you have to...
It's not working.
It's not?
Yeah.
It works.
No.
So your hair are blue now. Look her hair are blue. See? See that? She got blue.
Let's see.
Now let's try other.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she got blue
But
hair.
now I want lipstick in me.
You want lipstick?
I want blue lipstick. Ow!
Oh,
Hurts me.
that hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ow.
Mommy should. Where's the hairbrush? Give me the hairbrush. Where's your hairbrush? Here. I'm sorry, I haven't seen. Oh wow, look at that blue in there. You see that blue? She got the blue. Now let's get other colors. You have to make sure it's flat. Oh, she got pink. Just a little pink. See, she got orange. Look, she got orange. See your hair. You see your hair there. That's orange. Ooh, she got orange. She got blue. What
Hey
else?
guys, look.
What's in there? What's in there? Her veins?
My toy, my Geyiie. My wonder. That's mommy. Look. Look at this. I got hurt in there.
You got?
Yeah. Quail hit me right here in my skin.
She got pink. She got pink and blue and orange. See, if you do that, see, you get blue.
Mommy, look. What?
Oh, you got hurt.
Quail punched me with it and got skin. I got getting by.
Oh no.
Mommy, what's this one?
See, put that in your hair. And then,
Mommy,
this one, what's the use this one? You see, there is this one. And this one here, every time you click, it rotates. And here, so I will show you what's the use of this. So we have all this here. So we will use the orange. Let's see. Get the orange. She touched already this.
Mom, give me the blue one.
No.
Our blue one. I want the blue one.
You're not listening to mommy.
Please.
Oh, the stars are in here.
Please.
You need to get more stars. Oh, no other stars in here. We don't have blue. Oh yeah, there is a blue. You want blue?
Yeah.
In your hair?
Yeah.
Okay, sit down there. I will get the blue. She want the blue. Okay, sit down there.
Yeah, I'm getting a doobie.
Yeah, she want blue, so we will do the blue.
I want to put in my hair too.
She is the one who will put it in her hair. I will let her enjoy this one because.
No, Mom, no,
wait,
like
baby.
that.
You see this?
Just put like that.
You see this one? You have to pull it up like that, or see, pull it up, and you see there are like buttons in it. Wait lang. I will let you do this, baby, okay? You're the one who will do all this. Wait. Then, after that, you have to, you see that button, so you have to put, it should be facing right there.
Hey.
Since there are already,
Wait, what's this?
oh wow. Since there are already star in it, so let's see if it pushed the stars too. So you have, what you're going to do, you will do that and push it. You hear the click. You hear the click like that. And you see already the blue. And you see also the stars. So it should be, wait, I did it wrong. It should be that it should be like this. It's facing like that. Okay. And then the blue should be facing like that. See, when it clicked, that's done. And then put it right here.
Mommy, it fits! Mommy, it fits!
Yeah, it should be like that. It's facing this part because the hair should be inside. So, I'll do that in the other side. Oops. I did it wrong. Right now. Because it should be, when it goes there, it should be stamped the hair, which is right here. So I did it wrong. So it should be, I forgot this one, I'm sorry. What I did is,
it fits, you Mommy. We both got fits. This fit and this fit. Which tray of both
both of them. The arrow. The arrow is like that. Let's pop it so that it's then you see that arrow, it should be the arrow is pushing, going that way. Okay, go baby. Okay, sit down. I'm going to we will do the demo. Sit down there. I'm going to show them how to do this on your hair. So the hair should be right here. So let's see. She put it already some stars in her hair. We'll show you. She will get more stars. You want more? I know it's a blue, so it's more stars. finishing. You see that? She got all of that. You see it? How nice it is. Then I will do it in the other side too. The other side. Oh. Oh. Show. No, don't move. You want like that? Oh. Don't move. She wants blue. So I will give her the blue.
I want blue lipstick, Mommy. I want the blue lipstick.
You want the blue lipstick?
Yeah. That's what we call a lipstick.
Lipstick. Ooh, that look nice. See that, baby? You see it? She got all that. You need to push it so that you supposedly don't push it, but if it's like that the hole did not point the part where it should push, so you should. You're almost done. You want me to see that? Show it to them. Oh wow, look at that. We'll put all the colors. You want to put all the colors?
No.
Excuse me.
No.
Huh? We will put this all.
No.
Only one left. See that?
Oh.
Oh yeah, we will just finish one. This is one, last one.
And the other one.
Yeah, you want the other colors?
No. Until I could.
Yeah. Oh. There. You see that? Oh, see the other side, the other side. Ooh. Yeah, you got it. Oh, what else do you want? Oh, you will change. We'll change the color. What color do you want?
I want blue.
Oh, you want the star?
No.
You want to finish the star?
No.
You don't?
No.
Oh, there is one more blue.
Huh?
There's one more blue in here.
Oh.
Yeah, we need to finish the blue so that we...
You finish that first. I need to come my first one. I see my mirror out. Mommy, take the mirror out. See your face? See your face?
Yeah, I see it. Do you like your mirror?
Yeah. My mirror is kind of like scary, but it's kind of like stupid.
What?
But my mirror is kind of... Wait. Your eye? You see your eyes?
Oh, yeah, I see it.
And your nose and your mouth.
Yeah, I see it, baby.
And my eyes are brown.
Turning brown?
Yeah, they're turning brown.
I get it wrong again.
Where, Mommy? What? Where, Mommy? What? Where, Mommy? Cheers.
Cheers.
Grandma, what's in your cheek? It fits your cheek. It fits mine in your cheek.
It's my cheeks.
What's in my cheek?
Where's the arrow? Oh. I'm wrong with the arrow. that's the last one. You see it in her hair? What else do you want? You want me to use the... What color do you want, baby? Oh no. Why you get all the colors?
Because I want it.
You
It's
don't
for
want
me.
it? Hmm?
It's for me.
Put it back here if you don't want it.
I want
You want to put it right there? No. Then we'll use other thing. We have heart in here. You see, we have heart. We have this circle, small star. So I will use the... Oh, I will get all the stars. Should get the stars.
It's not decoration them. I know almost decoration them.
So we have a lot in here, so I can use this when we go somewhere, and she will have this. What's that? Is that the yellow?
No.
I will show you also this one. We'll do that. And then we'll put this one. Did not click, meaning it's wrong. So you have to make sure that the arrow is in this part. In this point here, should be right here. Should be like that. Then it click. Then insert it at here, and the arrow should be like that. And make sure there is one gap. If you want that part, so you have to make sure it's in that part so that when you click, it follow the other one. So I will show you. I will show you. I will show
No,
you.
it hurts me.
It did not hurt you.
Mom, this is hurt me. This hurt me.
Oh, I put it wrong way. So it should be this way. You can buy a lot like this in like Walmart. You can bought this one in Amazon. You can click also the barcode, and also you can have your discount if you use our code. Okay, discount code. So if you use our discount code, you have 10%. So how much is it? If you see how much it is in Amazon's, you can have 10 discount if you use our code. See how easy it is? See, sit down, anak. Show it to them. Look, she got the star and the heart and the pink circle and the blue circle. Look at to them. Look at to them. They can't see your face. So if you want more on how we're going to do this, because my baby keep on moving everywhere. But anyway, this is really a good gift. Birthday gift. This is from the Geyiie's toys. So you can say amazon.geyiie/Geyiie, www.geyiie.com, www.toys.co.uk. So that's you can find clients at g.com. Okay, So what's inside in here? It's just the manual. So really, I will show what's inside. It's the manual on how you're going on, and also, I mean, it's not really a manual, but it's see, it's something like you need to read it, like, oh, say to my team, my dream friend, I am so grateful. So there, it's a message for those who are buying these Geyiie toys. Okay, so do you like this toy, baby?
Yeah.
Oh, we will show them also.
I want to do my bag.
Okay, sit down. I really love it. We really love it. It's like also for the enjoyment for me and my baby while we're, you know, we're having a pastime together. You see her? We will tie your hair, like use this one. Come here, faster. We will use this one too. Come here, faster. Let's choose this one, and then this is, my baby is the model, or she was sponsored by Geyiie company, or the Saima company. This Geyiie is from Saima company. So this is Geyiie toys. I really love it. Promise, I really love it. Me and my baby can have. This is our second time that we're opening this, because the first time we're making a video for her endorsement. So now since we're just playing it right now, that's why you can't see really everything, but it's okay, but because I'm just showing you on how you're going to use this, as I have shown you that you can just pull this one and put all this, it's from here, and you will just open here and put it here that way, and you have to pull this part in here. Then after you pull, you have to just push. It's easy. Just push and then put it back. Put it in the right way. After that, and then push this back. Push this back here. You can really see. See, push it back like that. And then you're done. Good to go. Then put it right here. I mean that way, no. Put it that way. Put it that way. And then start doing this. Put the hair of your baby in, insert it here. Then press. And it color the baby's hair. As you can see, it color in her hair, the blue. And then in this one too, we really have a hard time in the first time we did this, but it's really good. So as you have seen, I did it many times. Insert this part here where they're giving you all this. These are free with it. It comes with this cosmetic case. Then put it here. Then you have to make sure you see this arrow. It should be here and like that. Okay, it should be, for example, this one should. Yeah, wait.
Give me this.
Yeah, wait, baby.
Mommy,
Yeah.
Rex will give me this.
Yeah, you want to read that?
The Rex will give me this.
Okay, we will read that later.
Give me this.
Okay, like that. If it's like that, it should be that it's facing that part right here. Okay, and then put it that way. You have to make sure the arrow must be up. You see this orange arrow. Then insert it right here. It should be follow the arrow. So see, you see the stars is up, because when you click it, it goes to the hair of your baby, that part, and it will, because there is something like sticky in here that will stick on your baby's hair, or you yourself. It's good. I think this is good for the teens also, if they love to do this too. So like that, and then start clicking. See, you have to make sure there is one space next to that, because when you click, it goes to the next part. Okay, and then after that, if you're done using it, you can just do like that. See? If you're done using, just do like that. Then this one, my baby really loves this because it's colorful. There is a green, yellow, blue, orange, pink, purple. So it's really like a rainbow. So she liked it because she just push it like that. Push it, and that's it. And close. And it's handy also, since my daughter have a bag from her sister. She can put this one in her bag, and this one she can put it in her bag, and this one too. So it's a lot easier for her to use it. So it's it shows little princess. And we can put.
Mommy, I like it. Mom, there's all this in here, and the berry pet, and the pea, and the that bird.
Have you seen those? Oh, hey, Anna, hey, we will show it to them. We will show it to them. Okay.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, Mommy, it hurts me. Ow.
Oh, show it to them. Your hair. Go. Show it to them. Oh, they can see it. Sit down there. Sit down sa kadali. Just move fast. Sit down. Okay, show it to them. The hair. They see. Yeah, it's so cute.
Okie dokie.
Okie dokie. She's.
Okay.
Oh.
Donald Duck. I think Donald Duck. Donald Duck.
Say bye-bye na sa iyong friends.
Bye-bye.
They can't see you. Go there. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, they can't see you. Oh, there.
Bye.
Mm.
See, Marnie,